We will have pointer j to go through each index and check for non-zero numbers, and we will have pointer I to replace all the zeros with non-zero numbers identified by pointer j, and to set zeros at the end of array. Here value at j pointer is 0, therefore we will move on. Now j pointer is at a non-zero value. Therefore we will assign this value to the I pointer, and then increment the I pointer. Again, j pointer is at a 0 value. So we will move on. Now, 3 is non-zero. Therefore, we will assign it to the I pointer, and increment I pointer. 12 is also non-zero. Therefore we will assign it to the I pointer, and increment the I pointer. Now, we can assign all the elements being visited by I pointer to 0. This is the final result. Now let's code the solution. We will set pointer I and j to 0 initially. We will use j pointer to iterate through all the elements in the array. Whenever we find a non-zero value, we will assign it to I pointer, and increment I pointer. After that, we will assign rest of the elements to 0. Let's run the solution. It's working. See you in the next video.